I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Ayan. So, let's check kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa buhay-buhay, ang energies sa paligid. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Again, wag nyo pong ipilit. Baka magdugo. And this is also a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo po ito nakita at napanood, this message is meant to find you. So, let's begin. The Eight of Wands. Technically, meron ng separation, whether this is a physical or energetic separation. So, ang separation na ito, sabihin natin, again, physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different planet, different dimension. Physically, you're in separation. Energetic, pwedeng you're seeing your person around, nakikita mo sa school, nakikita mo sa trabaho, nakikita mo sa bahay, but there's a gap, hindi kayo nag-uusap. So, there's still a separation. Hindi natin maaalis na yes, meron pa tayong may feelings, this is not about a separation of, sabihin natin, yung parang barubal, na separation. May care, may pagmamahal, meron pa rin. Sabihin natin, hindi man ganun ka intense katulad before kasi medyo nadodominate ito ng inis, gigil, mga past experiences. With the Ace of Wands, you also stop yourself from sleeping with your person, lalo na dito sa mga meron ng relasyon, baka kasi, siguro iniisip natin, baka sex lang habol nito sa akin, kaya hindi ako, ayoko muna na ayoko muna siya pagbigyan. So, I don't know, ikaw ba ang outside the kulambo? Siya ang outside the kulambo. One thing's for sure, hindi kayo magkasama, sa iisang kama right now. Kung meron man, siguro may divider, may unan. Ayan. With the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Coins, so parang sinasabi dito, and the Princess of Coins. Ipinapakita mo na kaya kong maging independent. Ayan. Independent, siguro sabihin natin, independent in a way na kaya kong mabuhay mag-isa, kaya ko rin magtrabaho, kaya kong kumita. So, you're harvesting something. It may not be as much as your person, pero hindi ito sa pagmamalaki, Hindi ito sa yung kumbaga minamak mo si person. You're doing it for yourself, Siguro nawala din ang ating self-worth, Nawala din itong siguro baka feeling niya, It's because of wala kang ginagawa sa tingin niya, nawala din yung kanyang paggalang, So, ayan. You're trying to win back everything with the Ace of Swords, the Princess of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. Although challenging, nakikita natin yun, It's evident in your situation na medyo challenging ang nangyayari. Pero you keep on fighting, no? There may be decisions na hindi sumasang-ayon sa atin. It could be that you're new in this field, in this energy, in this surroundings. Pero ang nakikita natin dito, tinatry mo, no? Tinatry mo kahit mahirap. Yun naman ang importante doon. As long as nandoon yung willingness, as long as nandoon yung ating willing to learn, no? Yung ating pag-embrace sa room for exploration, expansion, room for learnings, no? Room for improvement. I feel like you are on the right path. The Five of Cups and the Tower. Bakit parang may mga pagsisisi dito na bakit ibinigay ko agad? Meron din ditong it is because of naging matigas ang ulo ko, no? Pwedeng binigay ko agad ang bataan, or isinuko ko agad ang bataan, o ako agad. Part of it, parang feeling mo, nabudol ka, no? Nasilaw tayo doon sa mga paunang, kumbaga pinadama tayo, no, ni person. Yun yung feeling natin. Kasi nandito na tayo sa situation na parang hindi naman ito yung pre-promise mo or hindi ka naman ganito dati, no? So, madaming factors ang lumalabas sa ngayon with the Two of Swords and the Ten of Cups. Mahal pa. I feel like there is already, tulad ng sinabi ko, separation, pero hindi pa ito yung kwento na tinuldukan natin, tutuldukan natin, kasi meron pa ditong mga situation na if in case, no, magbago itong si person, I'm willing, no, to take the risk. I am willing to give a chance. Yun ay kung, no, meron tayo ditong yun ay kung ... Meron tayong hindi basta bibigyan kita ng chance. Yun ay kung, no, meron ka ditong demands, no? Pwede natin sabihin demands kasi that is what you want. With the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Cups, the Judgment. So, it felt like maayos naman ito kasi ipinapakita mo sa kanya yung coldness. Coldness ng ano ang pakiramdam, no? Ng wala ako sa tabi mo, ano ang pakiramdam ng yun nga, hindi mo ako kasama, wala yung care ko, wala yung energy ko. It felt like damang-dama niya ngayon. Yung pagkawala, yung pangungulila, no? Kasi ikaw mismo ang lumayo, nag-separate. The Princess of Swords and the Empress. Di natauhan, no? Natauhan si person. Kumbaga, hindi mo man ito physical na ginawa. Parang inuntog mo siya. Hinawakan mo siya, tapos ginanon mo siya sa pader. Parang, oy, nagising sa katotohanan si person na you are the person na hindi dapat mini-mess with, no? And even case na ang gusto mong patunayan dito is hindi ka nakikipaglaro, no? You deserve the commitment. Ito nga, ibibigay niya. Kasi the Princess of Swords signifies the agreement. Signing of a contract, no? So, hindi lang ito basta pagbalik, nang basta wala lang, no? So, meron ka mga demands. Meron kang, nilatag mo ang iyong cards, no? Kumbaga, gusto mong pumasok sa bahay kong muli, here's the house rule. Ayan, no? Here's the house rule. Ayan, kumbaga, ibinigay mo ang mga detalye. Binasa, inintindi, ibibigay ng buong buo. Walang banters na magaganap, walang haggle na magaganap, kumbaga walang tawad, no? Hindi yung parang pag bumili ka, 100 to, pwede bang 95? No. 100% ibibigay sa'yo, no? Maganda kasi you already know or learned how to stand your ground. So, yun naman ang importante. Basta hindi tayo naagrabyado, no? At hindi rin naman tayo nagte-take advantage. We are getting what is supposed to be ours, no? This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, if you resonate in this reading at gusto nyo magtanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun, no? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Libra, Pisces, Aries, Gemini, Scorpio, Leo is here, Cancer is here, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan. And this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.